OrderTrac Inventory is a program designed specifically for Amish furniture stores to track custom orders, which is something that other programs just simply are not made to do. So this video is just going to give a quick demo of how this program works. The first thing we're going to do is create a new invoice. Now, the first thing we have to do is add a new customer. The next thing we have to do is add information for the invoice. And next we need to add items to the invoice. We can add either a stock item from floor inventory or add a new custom order or a charge. First we're going to add a stock item. Once that item is added, it deducts it from the inventory. The next thing we're going to do is add an order. This is a new custom ordered item. And the next thing we're going to do is add another charge. This is going to be like a delivery or a discount or something that's not a piece of furniture. Now that our items are added to the invoice, we just need to add a payment. And then we just need to print the receipt. Now here's what our receipt looks like. Customer's information, invoice information, the items. And towards the bottom we have our fine print, got the payments, and then the total amounts here. And on this one we printed a store copy and a customer copy. Now the next thing we can do is go to the items list, because every item that was on that invoice is now entered into the system, and they're tracked by status. So the new ordered item that we added to that invoice is going to show up on the to be ordered list. This is the items that customers have ordered that need to be ordered from the vendor. So to do that, all we have to do is go to the order form. And this is where we create a new purchase order. All the details are pre-filled. All we need to do is fill in the rest of the information. And once we fill in all the information, we can fax it directly through the program. One copy for the builder and another copy for the finisher. So here's what the purchase order looks like. The finisher's copy includes information about the item so that whenever it's received, you know exactly what piece it is and who the customer is for that piece, what the item number is, and all that. Next, if we click the On Order filter, we can see that that item is automatically updated to On Order. So at any given time we can look at this list and see every single item that is currently on order with the vendor. Next, once the shipment has arrived from the vendors with your customer's items, you can go to the Receiving tab, and this shows everything that is currently on order. And as the items are coming off the truck, you can just select the item and then mark it as received. Or you can receive them using the barcode that's on that finisher's copy that they should send with the furniture, or you can print a receiving list, which also includes barcodes that you can receive items with. Once the item's been received, they're in the on-hand status. And once the item is delivered or picked up, you simply choose the item, close it out, and now the item has been moved to the closed list. All of this applies for inventory as well. You can order new inventory simply by using this Order Inventory screen. And once again, that item is added to the to be ordered list. And once it's ordered using the vendor order form, it moves to the on order, and then once it's received, it moves to on hand. So at all times you have a record of exactly what all you have on hand, on order, what needs to be ordered for both you and for your customers. This program also allows you to track vendor invoices so that you can track every invoice that you receive for an item and know if you've paid it already, and that also allows you to track the cost of every single item. And there's reports, so you can basically grab any information you want to that's in this system. And there's also a point of sale, like a traditional cash register option available as well, so that if you have gifts or food or other traditional barcoded items that you sell in your store, you can also choose to process transactions in this way, which would be separate from a custom ordered piece of furniture. So you can track all of your UPC items and the quantity level, the minimum quantity level. You can create purchase orders for those items real quickly and easily, and receive those items and all that. So it's got many more features, like being able to track gift cards, permission systems to be able to log in and support certain people have access that others don't, integrated time clock to track your employees' time, and much more. So that's a basic demo of the program. It just makes tracking your custom ordered items very simple, straightforward, and it really creates a smooth process that anybody can use.